Okay, now start. Hello, learners. Today I am teaching you sample paper third and CBSE class 12 computer science term 1. So now you will get most lot of questions in these topics in exams. So first question, find the invalid identifier from the following. So this is right one, this is right, but we cannot put special symbols. So this is the wrong answer. A is the answer. Now what will be will the following code display? Print 7.4 e minus 3. What is the answer? So answer is 0.0074. What will be the question number third? What will be the output for the following code? First list, second list. Okay, we are preparing two list. Print list one slicing 2 to 4. So now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are just what we can see data 2 and 3. Okay, now plus list 2 starting by colon 2. So now 0 and 1. Okay, so what will be the output of this code? So according to index, we cannot set, we have to set list 1 plus list 2. So first list 682, second 5728. So answer is that D. Now the following is not an argument of built-in Python function open. So which one is the right? Because mode is here, encoding and exception is here, but buffering is not an argument of built-in Python functions open. Now question number 5. To add a string, f string to a text file name dot text, which of the following will be the correct code? So let me guess the answer. First, with open is the right. Second, my file names string is the right. With open file name is just right. So answer is that all of the above, D. Now question number 6. A student has to write a function for a project that will read the number of lines from a file. After taking the user input for file name and the number of lines, so which method should be used? First, we have to define a function and open a file as an object, taking a loop, and what should be print. Okay, so input file name as a number of lines. We have to find number of lines. So which method? Read line. Okay, so print read line. Now question number 7. Which of the following code will work in case Jyotika tries to aid and read informations from the text file? Notes.txt. So what is the answer of 7? So read a file will work in a case of aid and read. Only aid and read. So B is the right answer. Append plus work both of these. Now question number 8. The open functions return file objects. Given the following code, X red and blue, Y red and blue, now Z is equals to X. So what will be the output of the following? Print X is Z. If print X is Z, so what will be the output? And 2, print X is not Y. So what is the answer of this? Because both are true. Answer is that C. Question number 10. Consider a dictionary time variable, record 1, create a dictionary, raise 1, raise 2, raise 3. Which of the following statement that will result is an error? So which one is error? This is okay because we can change value in dictionary. This is right. And print time record raise 1 plus 4. Yes, we can do this one. Print time record 56. Okay, because we cannot this is the main dictionary name and this is the sub dictionary value, so it will give the error. C is the answer. Question number 8, C is the answer. Now which of the following statement is incorrect? Question number 11, pickling is done with pickle load. This is the wrong because pickle dot dump we can do. Now question number 12, which of the following statement are true for teal? Current position right, no period, integer, yes, all of these right. Question number 13, a process where a Python object is converted into a byte stream. So 13 because pickling and serializing. Yes, A and C. Pickling and serializing. Both A and C is the right answer. Question number 14. Rehan uses the seek functions file pointer dot 6 minus 10 comma 2 in his code. Which of the following statement is not true? So offset is 10 right. The reference point is set from the beginning. Yes, wrong. Because reference point we cannot set by default. Offset we can sort beginning of that, but reference point we can't. Now which of the following statement is incorrect? The code block within a function is indented. Yes, right. A return statement with no argument will return the keyword none. Yes, right. Where a variable is assigned or defined in your code determines its scope. Yes, right. To define a function, we give the keyword function followed by nice. Define a function, we give the keyword function. No, we give the keyword def. So right is the answer, not incorrect is D. Okay, now 16. Which of the following function header will not work? Following this one define will not work. Question number 16. So we'll see that first def value num x1. Okay, def value num x1 yz2 xyz2. It will work. Def value xyz. Yes, it will work. Okay, so this is the work. Now both 1 and 2, I think B is the right answer. I'm sure, right. Which of the following statement is false? Question number 17. No. Yes, right. So a function can be defined without the return statement. Is false. It's not compulsory to add return keyword. We can also use print word also. Which of these can be delimiter a CSV file? So comma we can use, space we can use, vertical line also we can. So all of these, answer is D. Now question number 19. Which parameter is open will suppress the end of file translation in CSV file? Earlier we are here encoding, buffering, and error and new line. So what is the answer of this? 19 new line. Question number 20. To implement classes to read and write tabular data in CSV format, we need to import CSV module. Import CSV. Now question number 21. Which method return a reader object which return the records in the CSV file? So reader is the answer. Okay, now 20 seconds to write tabular data in CSV format. Jayant uses a Python code. Which of these will be the extension will be generated as a result? Because in 20 seconds, if we generate data in CSV format and we are writing over here, action will be generated as a result, tabular data in CSV Python code. So which of will be the file extension? So you have just think about 22. First one, result will be generated in binary form. We got CSV file already, so binary format will be generated. Sorry, binary. Sorry. This is the option. We have to give the answer over here. So uh, Python and CSV. Answer is D. So both the file will be generated the answer. One is CSV file and second is python.py. Okay, so this is the right answer. This is not an answer. Okay, this is the options. So what will the output of the following code? First, second, third, separate. So this is comment. So 23rd answer is that first, second, and third. Answer is that B. Now 24, Mihira has to write from a dictionary, dict one to a binary file, new record.pickle, which of the following code will work for her? So question number 24, what is the answer? Yes, B is the right answer. With open new record.pickle wb as a file object and pickle.dump and dictionary.objects. Okay, now values within a dictionary: mutable, immutable, unique, and can't be number. So what is the answer of this? Values within a dictionary can be of any type. किसी भी टाइप की वैल्यू उसमें अपलोड की जाता है. Special symbols, numbers, alphabets, anything. What will be the output of the following? List 50 and list 1.30. So what will be the output of 26? Answer is that 3 times 50 in the list. 50, 50, 50. Now question number 27. We have seen that overcome.txt file, and what will be the output of those? Open a text file, data, read line, and print data 1. So 27 number. Answer is that V. V as the second line, 1 and 2. So he's asking line 2. It will be start V. Okay. Now today's last question. Identify the output of the following Python statement. We are making a tuple over here and print 3 and 2. So this is the sorry, wait. Okay, now so this one is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 3/2. This is the 3. Okay, now 0, 1, and 2. 21.3. So answer is that B. Okay, so we'll meet next class. You just watch it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.